Hi guys and girls, good morning. I hope you stay safe and healthy by the grace of God. As you know, speaking is a fun. Today our topic is the use of imperatives. Guys and girls, imperatives are used in spoken English language to give orders and to make requests. Let us make a practice with generally spoken imperatives. As you can see on this whiteboard, the first imperative is never hate others. Never hate others. Never hate others. दूसरों से कभी नफरत ना करो. Never hate others. दूसरों से कभी नफरत ना करो. The next imperative is trim your nails. Trim your nails. Trim your nails. अपने नाखून तराश लो. The next is do this task. Do this task. Do this task. ये काम कर लो. And next one is gain the knowledge. Gain the knowledge. Gain the knowledge. इल्म हासिल करो. Next one is always thank Almighty Allah. Always thank Almighty Allah. Always thank Almighty Allah. हमेशा रब ताला का शुक्र अदा करो. हमेशा रब ताला का शुक्र अदा करो. Next imperative is earn the fair livings. Earn the fair livings. Earn the fair livings. Earn the fair livings. halal rizq कमाओ. Next imperative is speak politely. Speak politely. शाइस्तगी से बात करो. Speak politely. शाइस्तगी से बात करो. Next imperative is write neatly. Write neatly. Write neatly. साफ साफ लिखो. Be happy. Be happy. Be happy. Be happy. खुश रहो. Next imperative is treat others with patience. Treat others with patience. Treat others with patience. Treat others with patience. दूसरों के साथ नरमी से पेश आओ. Treat others with patience. Treat others with patience. दूसरों के साथ नरमी से पेश आओ. Next imperative is don't be proud. Don't be proud. Don't be proud. Don't be proud. तकब्बुर ना करो. तकब्बुर ना करो. Don't be proud. Don't be proud. Next imperative is be smart and active. Be smart and active. Be smart and active. Be smart and active. चाको चौबंद रहो. Be smart and active. Be smart and active. चाको चौबंद रहो. Enjoy the life. 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 जिंदगी से लुत्फ़ उठाओ. जिंदगी से लुत्फ़ उठाओ. Enjoy the life. जिंदगी से लुत्फ़ उठाओ. Don't lose heart. Don't lose heart. हिम्मत ना हारो. Don't lose heart. Don't lose heart. हिम्मत ना हारो. Keep up the courage. 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 हौसला ना हारो. हौसला ना हारो. Keep up the courage. Keep up the courage. हौसला ना हारो. And next is get up your loins. 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 हिम्मत बांध लो. Get up your loins. Get up your loins. हिम्मत बांध लो. Get up your loins. हिम्मत बांध लो. And last one is make up your mind. Make up your mind. Make up your mind. अपना ज़हन बना लो. Make up your mind. Make up your mind. अपना ज़हन बना लो. Make up your mind. Guys and girls, you can make a lot of practice with these imperatives, and by making a practice and doing so, you will be able to speak these imperatives neatly and cleanly and with proper pronunciation, rightly, I wish you good luck. God bless you. See you next. Goodbye.